Maybe it's a big guy. Oh, maybe it's a pike. Oh,
it is a pike. Oh yeah.
What's a pike doing over there?
It's for our
He was hiding over there.
Perfect day to be on the lake. Perfect wind. Not too hot, not too cold.
Ooh.
You having fun?
Almost fell.
Oh yeah, we got some fish. We got some fish. Yeah, my wife killed that one, so we had to keep it. And we got a big ass sunny in there somewhere. Check a lady here to get her some bassy. Some bassy. And took Bryson here to get some crappie.
And you're here for some?
I'm here for some weed, bro.
What's that? I know, what is that?
That's a big fish, bro.
In the butt?
Oh, that's a big one.
In the butt?
That's a big one.
Bobby.
No skunk.
Oh, you gonna get it before me?
Careful before it jumps out the water and it unhooks itself.
It's just laying down.
Laying down? Oh, you got a little guy.
Oh, it's a pike. Oh, fuck.
Let's see it. Lift it up. Oh, it's a little guy.
Yeah.
Oh yeah, see? All day, yo. All day, y'all. Let's go.
I threw it with the seaweeds over there, Bryson.
Let's go. This boy on fire. He on fire. He on fire. Let's see. Hold it up. Oh, boy, this boy just got a big ass one. Huge, huge splash. I'm gonna say that's a 3-pounder. Take your time. Don't let it jump either. Take your time. Yeah, I got my net. Yeah. That's a big boy. Oh, shit. Damn. That's Bison's PB right there.
Oh my god!
Your PB, Bison. PB, boy.
99.55.
I said that's a 4, 3.5. That's big.
Now you like bass in it?
Yep. Alright, here's the scale. Alright. 325.
Alright, get your picture.
325. Get your picture of your PB bass, man. Good job, son. Look how big that is next to that phone. Big fatty. Thick too. Good size. Good eating size. How many inches is it? How many inches y'all think? I'm gonna say nine and a half. On what line? Huh? Take it off. Till next time, big fella. Next time we come back, it's gonna be a 5 bison. Here we go. Good shit. High five, man. Yeah.
Hell no, you're not putting me down there. Hell no.
Oh shit.
Oh hell yeah.
2-pounder.
2-pounder.
Whoa. 2-pounder. They're hella active today.
Hi, beautiful. Damn, again.
Swallowed it again, huh? Good stuff.
Not even 2. I think it's a 1-ish. Almost 2 maybe. How did you take it?